Hey, what's up YouTube? In this video we have a W210 EIS from Mercedes-Benz, and here's the programmed key. And if you want to see the key being made, I'll put a link to that. This video though, to show you that it works, and we're now going to actually unlock it. And the way that we're going to do that, the im508 and the XP400, go to emo, and I'm going to go to Mercedes-Benz. We know we're not plugged into a car. And I'm going to go to expert selection, key, IR, and we want to renew the BE key. So it tells us to put it in the XP400. And it's going to confirm that we want to clear the key, which we do. So now it's actually erasing the key or renewing it. It says succeed to clear the key. And now we'll zoom back out here. We'll go and we'll try it again on our EIS, and now it should no longer work. See, now it will not turn. So the key has been erased or cleared, as it calls it, and now the key can be reused. Now it's not going to work on OEM keys, but it does work on the aftermarket BE keys. So if you guys have any questions or comments, put them in the comments. And until next time, we will talk to everybody later.